Okay, doing a spoiler installation. There's a spoiler. It comes with these little uh, studs. You just screw them in on both sides. And it comes with the bolts. Now those studs may or may not be long enough. So let's say if they're so basically this is what you do. Put your studs in right. Then I put the spoiler up here, lined it up, and then I took a black Sharpie. That's where I'm gonna drill my holes. You want the holes to go all the way through. Now let's say you have to make the holes big too because they need to come all the way through this side too. So that you can, you know what I'm saying, the stud might be too short. So then you have to push that nut all the way up in that hole to catch the stud. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and drill these out, drill those, these two right here. Oh, I gotta get them all the way through, all the way down. All right, then we gonna it come with a like a little gasket or whatever that we're gonna put up there, and I'll show you when we're done. Okay, that's pretty much where I want it. It ain't perfect center, but it's close to damn enough, and I ain't picky like that, so look good enough to me though. That'll work for me. All right, so once you got it where you want it, whatever. Like I said, you got to drill your holes all the way through. You got to catch them right here. See that one right there? It's gonna be easy. This right here, you gotta have to come up in there a little bit. But first, I'm gonna lift up on each side and put the little gaskets on. Then I tighten it down. Took out the adhesive on both sides, put a little gasket on, and then we're gonna put it into the holes and put the bolts on the bottom. And this is all just getting prepped, ready for paint though. Okay, so I just had to make the holes a little bit bigger on the inside, and then I sprayed primer on the inside of it. Okay, so I just sprayed primer like 2K, well, just spray can shit. I'm not gonna paint the inside of this. It's like really anal doing the inside of the trunk and all that. I don't do that crap no more to my own cars. It's going a little too far. I just want to get the outside. But anyway, spray some primer just for protection. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna put some 2K on this right here because I'm using Nason XL line. You gotta use 2K primer. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta I'm gonna use a what's it called? A sealer before I put it down just in case. But so I'm gonna hit that with a primer once I get all the rest of these little dings and dents or whatever. But anyway, that's how you do the spoiler. But I'm gonna paint it and put it back on later.